Today I want to talk about how to plan out your YouTube cold traffic and retargeting strategy. It's really important that you actually come with a plan in mind so you know exactly what you want to do for your YouTube cold traffic ads, right? So that's reaching brand new people with your ads. It's running your YouTube video in front of other videos on YouTube, essentially grabbing all of that traffic for yourself. And then of course, how you can reach those same people again and again and again with YouTube retargeting. And then of course, omnipresent retargeting, which I love to talk about, which is retargeting people everywhere. I like to liken it to a gigantic microwave constantly warming up those leads you already have, like they're popcorn kernels, just waiting to pop and become clients. So let's get into how you can plan out your cold traffic strategy and your YouTube retargeting strategy right now in this video. So we're gonna actually go over to a clip from a recent AMA, Ask Me Anything I did in our YouTube Ads for Entrepreneurs Facebook group. If you're not already a part of the community, go down below and join the group. We're constantly posting new trainings and value, but we're also doing live AMAs, so you can actually have the chance to join us live and ask your questions during one of our next sessions. So let's roll the clip and get into how to plan out your YouTube cold and retargeting campaigns. You need to use both cold and retargeting. So what we actually see is we're pretty bullish on retargeting, as you guys have seen. You know, people say they see me everywhere, and it's probably true. If you're on this, you might see me all over the place. That's because I really love retargeting. It's so powerful. Omnipresent retargeting is actually a big component of our mastermind, which is our inner circle program. So obviously we have our main YouTube ads program. We also have our mastermind, and omnipresent retargeting is one of the big things that we teach there. And the reason for that is how effective and powerful it is. What I would say, and this is just a rough breakdown, is of our applications. I'd have to look at specific numbers for clients, but for our applications, so we're spending about 30% of our budget on retargeting and 70% on cold. But I would say that is probably about 50-50 in terms of applications. So, you know, 70% results in 50, and then 30% will result in 50% in favor of those retargeting ads. But here's what people forget. They see how powerful the retargeting ads are, and then they're like, oh, I could just turn down my cold traffic. But you need the traffic to come from somewhere to feed the retargeting ads. I like to think of it this way. Think of your retargeting apparatus or your omnipresent retargeting, whether it's YouTube retargeting, omnipresent retargeting. Think of that as a gigantic microwave, right? And all of your leads are popcorn kernels. And so by turning on your retargeting, you're turning on the microwave, and consistently the popcorn kernels start to pop. And they're popping, right? And you're getting those leads to either book a call or become clients or whatever that goal is, right? And it's popping. But what you need to make sure you do is you don't pop all the corn. You want to keep putting corn into the microwave. Imagine just a big funnel at the top. So that's your cold traffic. You're putting corn in, and some of it's pre-popped. So some of the corn, before it even gets in the microwave, is pre-popped just because your initial funnel is getting leads. But you need to make sure that you do have cold traffic and retargeting working in tandem. Typically we'll see a 70-30 split. Some people are more conservative against retargeting. They'll do 80-20. And that's what I've also heard a lot of people do as well. And some people will do a little bit more. And actually, in the past, our retargeting was a little bit higher of a percentage. We're always kind of tweaking and adjusting with that. So right now it's around 70-30, but we're always updating our clients on what we're actively doing. Hope you found this video valuable, and if you want to learn how to use YouTube ads for your own business, go down below and we actually have our YouTube ads webinar where we show you exactly how this works. Now, if you've already seen the webinar and maybe you're interested in actually booking a strategy call for YouTube ads, you can of course click the link down below to schedule your strategy call with our team. One of our advisors will get on a 45-minute complimentary strategy call with you to walk you through your current marketing and how you can implement YouTube ads in order to scale your business. We want this to be one of the most valuable 45 minutes you spend on your business all year. Now, also, you saw a clip just now from our recent AMA, Ask Me Anything, right here in our YouTube Ads for Entrepreneurs Facebook group. So if you're not already a part of the group, go down below into the description of this video and join the Facebook group. That way you have an opportunity to ask your questions live the next time we do an AMA. We usually do 1 or 2 of these a month, so you're going to want to make sure to join the group in order to get notifications on when we are going to go live. Also, of course, if you love the content here on this YouTube channel, turn on the bell icon and subscribe so you get constant notifications whenever we come out with a new video. And we have a brand new omnipresent retargeting machine webinar on how to become omnipresent, retargeting your leads everywhere to get them to convert and become clients. If you're interested in that, I actually put a link down to that webinar in the description below as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.